Hello Zolai learners, I'm Tang and today let's learn. Alright, okay, so the first word that you will learn is Amah. Amah can be a pronoun for a male and female. He, she, his, her. Okay, so let's see the example sentence for this word. The first example sentence will be Amah na ngai hang, aman na ngai lo pi. Amah na ngai hang, aman na ngai lo pi, which means even though you love him, he doesn't love you back. Even though you love her, she doesn't love you back. Okay, so in these sentences, I hope you will see the word Amah, and I believe that you will understand the meaning of the word. Okay, so now let's see the next example sentence for the word Amah. Amah lian no hin ko pi panong pai he. Amah lian no hin ko pi panong pai he, which means she is Lian Nu and she's from Calais. She is Lian Nu and she is from Calais. Okay. Alright, so here Amah means she. Alright, so the next word, the second word will be gay. Okay, gay means I, me, my, and the meaning will change based on how you put the word. Alright, where you put that word. Okay, so let's see the example sentences. The first one will be gay kamin John he. Gay kamin John he, which means my name is John. My name is John. Alright, and the next example sentence is gay lum taninge. Gay lum taninge, which means I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna sleep. And the third example sentence is kaya ding mo. Kaya ding mo. Kaya ding mo. Alright, which means that for me? Is that for me? Okay, I hope you understand the meaning of the word. Okay, so let's go to the third word for this video. The third word is nang. Nang. Okay, nang, which means you. Okay, you. Alright, so let's see example sentences for this word. So the first example sentence is nang koya pai ding. Nang koya pai ding, which means where are you going? Where are you heading? Or where are you off to? Okay, nang koya pai ding. Okay, the next example sentence is nang namin banga. Nang namin banga. Nang namin banga. What's your name? Namin, your name. Nang, you or your. Banga, what? Nang namin banga means what's your name? Okay, alright, so let's learn the next word. The next word is Amau. Amau means day. Day. Okay, so let's see example sentences for this word. Amau nang onga kiven. Amau nang onga kiven, which means they are waiting for you. They are waiting for you. Do you remember the word that we learned? Nang. Now you see the word nang in this sentence, and I know and I believe that you will understand the meaning of the word nang. Alright, so let's move to the next example sentence. The next example sentence is Amau lam ding mo. Amau lam ding mo, which means are they gonna dance? Are they gonna dance? Alright, so lam means dance. Are they gonna dance? Alright, so let's go to the next word. So the next word is a. Okay, a, it means we or us. Okay, so let's learn with example sentences. Okay, the example sentences are the first one. A koya pai ding. A koya pai ding. A koya pai ding. A biting, which means where are we going? Where are we going? Okay, A biting. All right, the next example sentence is he Amah, which means is that ours? Is that ours? Okay. The next word is hua. Hua means that. Okay. Let's see example sentences. Okay. So the first example sentence is hua nu it wai saing. Hua nu it wai saing. Hua nu it wai saing, which means oh, that girl is lovely. That girl is lovely. Okay. And the next example sentence is hoa dọn nghèo hội xìa. Hoa dọn nghèo hội xìa. Okay. Which means that cat is beautiful. That cat is beautiful. Alright. And the third example sentence is hoa lại bút pen ông lạc bạc tỷ. Hoa lại bút pen ông lạc bạc tỷ. Which means can you pass me that book? Alright, can you pass me that book or give me that book? Okay. Alright, so the next word will be here. Alright, basically the word should be here, but mostly we don't really pronounce that way. Mostly we just gonna pronounce like ya with the Y sound. Ya, alright? Here and ya are basically the same, but mostly you will hear the sounds of Y, ya. Alright, okay, so the previous word is hua. Alright, so now we are learning here or ya. So hua and ya or ya. I'm gonna use here or ya in the previous example sentences. So I'm gonna read them and listen carefully and try to understand. Here no idwai or ya no idwai sie. Ya dọn nghèo hội xìa or ya dọn nghèo hội xìa. Ya dọn nghèo hội xìa. Okay, it's very awkward to say ya dọn nghèo. And next, ya lại bố ông lạc bago or ya lại bố lạc bago. Okay, I feel like even I pronounce with here, I feel it's not natural to say here. It's better to say ya lạc bago, ya lại bố lạc bago. Alright, so here, ya, hua, they have the same meaning, that. Okay, that. Alright, so let's go to the next word. The next word is he. Okay, he, which means this. Alright, so let's see example sentences. Okay, he hai nangamo. He hai nangamo. Is this your cup? Is this your cup? He gua a. He gua a. Whose is this? Whose is this? And the next example sentence is himunamo. Himunamo. Here or in this place. Alright. Okay, the next word is na. Okay, it means yours or your. Okay, so let's see example sentences. Napuan hoi si. Napuan hoi si. Which means your clothes is beautiful. It looks elegant. Okay, hoi si. Hoi si. Napuan hoi si. Okay, napuan your clothes. And the next example sentence is na Facebook account banga. Na Facebook account banga. Na Facebook account, your Facebook account. What is your Facebook account? Okay, alright. Okay, now let's learn the last word for this video. The last word for this video is ka. Okay, ka. Ka means mine. So I'm gonna read the example sentences and try to figure out. Of course, I will tell you the meaning of the sentence. Okay, so the first example sentence is Kamel hoi na. Kamel hoi na, which means am I handsome? Or for a girl, am I beautiful? Am I pretty? Alright, so let's go to the next example sentence. The next example sentence is Kalau ngai nu na mukhana. Kalau ngai nu na mukhana. Did you happen to see my girlfriend? Okay, so you have learned all the words, and I hope you understand them by now. And now let's practice the pronunciation again, alright? So I'm gonna pronounce each word and listen carefully how I pronounce. Alright? The first word, Amah. 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 Kỹ. Kỹ. Ka. I. Kỹ. Okay? Kỹ. Nắng. Na. Nắng. Okay? Nắng. Amau. 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 Okay? Ý. 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 Okay? Hoa. 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 Ha. Hoa. 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 Okay? Ya. 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 Okay? He. Hi. He. Okay? Na. 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 Okay? Ka. Ka. Okay? Alright, so, okay, that's it for today, and I hope you have learned the pronouns of Zokam, and I believe that when you see those words in sentences, I believe that you will understand, and I believe that you can use those words when you speak to Zokam speakers. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye bye. I am Tang, and you are my...
If you want more educational contents, please subscribe.